Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about model based development frequently asked interview questions part 1. First we are going to see about general Simulink questions. First question is, what is Simulink? Then default data type in MATLAB. Difference between structure and cell array. Explain about solver and types of solver. How to select particular type of solver. Type of solver used in your project and why. Explain about workspace and types of workspace. What is data dictionary? Difference between .mdl and .slx file. What are all the different types of toolboxes you used in your project? Next will be same. These questions are related to Simulink general questions. What are all the different data types available in Simulink? Explain about inherit via backpropagation and inherit via internal rule. Explain about fixed point and floating point. What is sample time and step size? What is simulation time? What is meant by dead logic in Simulink model? Difference between discrete and continuous. What is plant model? What is control model? Different types of coder and its use. Next, these questions are related to Simulink subsystems. What are all the different types of subsystems you used? Difference between enable, trigger and function subsystem. Explain about model reference. Explain about variant subsystem and where to use variant subsystem. Difference between virtual and non-virtual subsystem. Explain about atomic subsystem. What is function packaging? Scope of enable subsystem. How to choose or when do we need to use switch and if else subsystem. Difference between model reference and custom library. In this, we are going to see about questions related to Simulink basic blocks. What are the different types of Simulink blocks you used? Few examples for virtual, non-virtual and semi-virtual blocks. Difference between switch and multiport switch. Difference between mux and demux block. Difference between mux and bus creator block. What is the use of merge block? Use of rate transition block. Use of delay block. Difference between zero order hold, delay and rate transition block. What is the use of from and go to block? Next is Simulink blocks. Questions related to Simulink blocks. Explain about DSM, DSR and DSW. That is like data store memory, data store read, data store write. Scope of DSM. Scope of from and go to block. Difference between from and data store read, go to and data store write. Explain about masking. Difference between mask and library blocks. What is the use of gain block? Difference between multiple and product block. Explain about LUT, lookup table, and use of lookup table. That is when we will use that lookup table. Use of truth table. And in this section we are going to see about questions related to errors, like if we are developing model in Simulink, we will face some common errors. So these questions are related to those Simulink errors. What are all the different types of error you faced in Simulink? What is algebraic loop error? How to detect algebraic loop error? How to avoid algebraic loop error? Effects or impact of algebraic loop error? What is division by zero error? How to detect and avoid division by zero error? Explain about missing reference block error. Explain about compilation error because of merge block. What will be the reason for from block is not receiving data? Next will be unit testing in Simulink. How to decide developed model is in line with requirements. What are all the different types of testing? What is the use of unit testing? Types of model coverage. What is MCDC? Difference between MIL, SIL, PIL and HIL testing. Tools used for unit testing in your project. How to verify whether the test cases are written with respect to requirements or not. What is the minimum acceptance MCDC coverage in your project and why? In V-cycle, where this unit testing will takes place. So till now whatever the questions I told, all are basic questions. Based on your profile and your answers, you may get some in-depth questions and different questions. If you have any other questions or if you don't have any clarity on these questions, please mention your questions in comment section. And another one more thing is, in this section I told all those questions. In future we will see answers for these questions. Thank you.